Like I said before, I really love Creative Cloud Express because it makes it easy for me to make designs, lay text, and images to make things for my YouTube and Instagram stories. A sad little truth about the internet is that even if you're making something amazing, if they're not optimized for platforms you're sharing on, people are less likely to see it. So I'm not kidding, let's pull up my YouTube page. You can see the videos that are doing really well have custom thumbnails that look professional, like what's it like to photograph a celebrity or how to make presets work for you. I made all of these in Creative Cloud Express. So if you go here and look at my projects, you can see I've made a ton of things that show similar design language. All here in Creative Cloud Express. I can keep my fonts the same, I can change colors, I can place text. I thought this design was kind of sweet. It has a headline, an image, it's optimized for YouTube. So how do I make it optimized for something else? First, what do I mean by optimized? I mean it's sized properly so folks can see the important things right away. How did it get optimized? Well, once you have something pulled up, you can go to Edit and you can see the resize options at the bottom of the screen. It seems so simple, but the resize tool in Creative Cloud Express is the secret sauce that makes it go. Even if you make something for Twitter that's 2-for-1 or Instagram that's 9:16, you can take something from your Instagram feed or Instagram story and re-optimize that art without having to totally redesign it, without having to make a new artboard in Illustrator or a new file in Photoshop. It's just 2 clicks. Now, here where you are once you place this thing, you'll see that once you resize, you can move images around by checking the lines. The pink lines let you know if it's centered and the blue lines let you know where it is in relation to other elements. Resizing in Creative Cloud Express allows you to very easily create designs that work everywhere. So if I want to make this on Twitter, we know that tweets with images perform well. So if I want to promote this video, instead of just putting the link in some text, I can use a thumbnail image so folks can see the important information quicker. Now, with a quick export, I'm able to market the same video that I have on YouTube, on Twitter, on Instagram, without having me to take 5, 10, or 15 minutes making the edits in other applications. You have to remember as a freelancer, your time is valuable. And this looks professional. I didn't have to do a ton of work, so it's a win-win for me. Saves time and gets your work more out there. Check out Creative Cloud Express.